On September 5, 1977, NASA launched a machine no one truly expected to change history. No headlines predicted greatness. No guarantees it would survive the harsh emptiness of space. No promise that its discoveries would matter decades later, long after those who built it had retired. Its name was Voyager 1. Small, unassuming, no larger than a compact car, it was built with the technology of another era. Slide rule science. Calculations written by hand. Computers weaker than modern calculators. Memory measured in kilobytes, processors primitive and fragile. No software updates, no remote fixes, no second chances. Once it left Earth, it would be utterly alone. A machine designed to survive only what human minds could predict. Yet, against all odds, this fragile probe became one of humanity's greatest explorers. Voyager 1 launched alongside its twin, Voyager 2, two identical machines sent on a narrow window of opportunity to escape Earth's gravity and journey farther than any spacecraft before them. A mission bold, risky, and unprecedented, to explore the outer planets, worlds once seen as mere points of light wrapped in darkness, mystery, and imagination. The mission was expected to last 5 years. 5 brief years, then silence. Instead, over 4 decades later, Voyager 1 is still alive, transmitting data, listening, moving outward farther than any human-made object in history. Its objectives were simple, almost conservative by design: fly past Jupiter, then Saturn, measure their atmospheres, magnetic fields, radiation belts, and moons. Collect data, send it home, then fade into history. Space had other ideas. Approaching Jupiter, Voyager discovered chaos, energy, violence. The largest planet in the solar system was alive with relentless motion and raw power. Volcanoes erupted on Io, plumes of molten rock blasted hundreds of kilometers into space, the first active volcanism ever seen beyond Earth. Moons long thought frozen were shaped by tidal forces, heated and twisted by gravity itself. Voyager mapped Jupiter's immense magnetic field, a bubble so vast it could swallow the Sun, radiation belts so intense they warp space. Its atmosphere revealed storms larger than Earth. The Great Red Spot, a hurricane older than human civilization, raged endlessly. Jupiter was no longer a distant gas giant. It was a system, dynamic, violent, alive. Then Voyager turned to Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Its rings were intricate, alive with motion, sculpted by gravity and moon interactions. Saturn's icy moons revealed fractured surfaces, internal heat, possible oceans beneath layers of ice. Enceladus suggested that life might exist far beyond Earth, environments once considered impossible. By the time Voyager 1 completed its planetary encounters, expectations were shattered. Yet its journey was far from over. It left the planets behind, venturing into the dark outskirts of the Sun's domain, toward a boundary no human had crossed. For decades, Voyager traveled in near silence, no course corrections, no repairs, only momentum and time. Humanity's farthest traveler, its lone ambassador to the unknown. In 2012, Voyager crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the Sun's influence fades and interstellar space begins. No walls, no flash of light, only subtle changes. A drop in solar particles, a rise in galactic cosmic rays, a shift in magnetic fields. In that quiet transition, Voyager became the first human-made object to enter a realm beyond planets, beyond our Sun, where distances are measured in light years and time feels infinite. And what it found there surprised everyone. Strange signals, rhythmic pulses, waves unlike ordinary cosmic noise. At first, scientists suspected solar echoes, shockwaves traveling across billions of kilometers. But the signals persisted, evolving. Interstellar space was not empty, it was active, dynamic, structured. Invisible rivers of charged particles flowed. Magnetic storms shifted like living tides. Some anomalies hinted at dark matter, the invisible substance shaping galaxies and the cosmos itself. Voyager operates at the edge of survival. Temperatures near absolute zero, constant radiation, electronics designed in the 1970s still humming. Signals now take over 22 hours to reach Earth. Power slowly fades. Instruments are sacrificed to preserve the spacecraft's lifeline. And still, Voyager whispers, magnetic fields stronger than expected, dense plasma clouds, a heliopause that breathes and shifts. Energy. Motion. Life, not biological, but in the pulse of the cosmos itself. Beyond science, Voyager carries humanity's heart. The Golden Record, a time capsule of Earth, carries images, sounds, music, laughter, and the beating of human hearts, a message that we existed, questioned, and reached outward. Plasma waves translated into sound reveal haunting whispers from the universe itself, reminding us that silence is never absolute. Today, Voyager 1 is over 14 billion miles from Earth, traveling nearly 38,000 miles per hour, its journey continuing for tens of thousands of years. Its signal, faint and fragile, is a thread connecting us to the edge of the galaxy. One day, its power will fail.